Hello, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. New videos every week from English Studio Learn to Speak. In this video, we are going to see sight words. Do you find the boy saying something? Yes, sight words. That means the words which we will see most often when reading and writing. You don't have to by heart them. They are not any dictation words or pronunciation words. Our brains need to recognize them just by looking at the word to read it fluently. They are not that difficult. For example, I can say we don't forget the path or the road that we walk daily to our home, isn't it? And we don't even forget the cartoons or the programs that we watch daily and their names. And what about the people whom we meet? We know their names because we see them often. We meet. So in the same way are the sight words. We see them very often. We read them like with, they, his, I, at, this, be, have. Don't we see them in our books daily or regularly? And some more words, to, do, you, she. So these are the words, basic words I can say, which will help you to read fast. He, be, by, my. And from, one, or, had. All these words are quite common. These are called sight words. By seeing them itself, we read the word. By, but, words, not. We don't even read the spellings again. Just by looking at them. A, to, in, is, you, that, on, are, as, with, his, they, have, from, or, one, had, and, by. See, I didn't even read their spellings. Just by looking at them, I told the pronunciation. We can find many such sight words while we read, which may look quite common. Try to know as many sight words as possible. They'll help you to identify the words and then read fluently. So that's all for this video. Hope you all understood what exactly the sight words are. I can't say only these are sight words, but there are many sight words. So it is time for you to all like, share and comment, and then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.